Hi everyone, this is a PID tuning video of the 8-channel sensor array. You can find it on the website Dyoraa Soon we'll be uploading 16-channel sensor array PID tuning video. Okay, let's start the tutorial. So some things are to be noted that your battery level of your bot should remain constant at the whole time of PID tuning, because PID values depends on your battery level on your hardware. So once you have tuned the bot on a certain battery level or at a certain hardware, it should be same at the time of performance. So it's better to keep the bot fully charged. Okay, so here is how we tune the PID. So first we will keep all the values to 0. So Kp will be 0, Kd will be 0, and there is not much need of Ki, so we will not be dealing with that. So first we will try to increase Kp such that the bot follows the line and wobbles a bit. It should follow line and the wobble should be decreased by the Kd. So let's start with Kp. Keeping the Kd 0, let's start with Kp. So the value of Kp we have set as 0.05. So as you can see, the bot is missing the line. Let's increase the Kp to 0.09. Now the Kp is 0.09. The bot is following the line, but because of the wobble the speed is decreased. But if I release the bot in a straight line, then its speed will be high, so it will miss the line. Okay, it is not missing the line, so let's increase the Kd to decrease this wobble. Now the value of Kp is 0.09 and we have set the Kd to 0.1. Okay, so we need to increase the Kd more. So as you can see on that last curve, the bot was going straight because it was a time when the wobble was not that much and it loses the line. That is an indication that we need to increase the Kp a bit more. Just because of the wobble, the bot speed is low and it is following the line. But when there is no wobble, it will go out of the line. So we will not increase the Ki without any with assumption. Let's keep increasing the Kd. So here we will set Kd to 0.3. Now Kd is 0.3. Okay, so now we will reduce the oscillation more by increasing the Kd to 0.5. Now we will test at Kd 0.5. Okay. Have you observed that the bot was going straight? There was no wobble, so the speed was increased. So at the curve, it slips out of the line. That is a sign that we have to increase Kp at the last, but we will still increase the Kd to decrease the oscillation. Now we'll increase the Kd to 0.7 or maybe 0.8. Now Kd is 0.8. Yeah, the oscillation has been reduced. Now we can see that there is insufficient Kp, insufficient turning factor. So we are going to increase that. So from Kp 0.09, we are going to increase it to 0.11. Okay, now let's clean the wheels. Because of the dust particle, the robot can lose its traction. There is a significant change in the performance if you clean your wheels regularly after each run. Okay, so now our Kp is 0.11 and Kd is 0.8. So now the robot is performing much better, as you can see. But there is little oscillation that we can feel. So now from Kd 0.8, we will increase it to 1. If your bot is slower, then it doesn't need too much Kd. Okay. Now oscillation has been reduced, but it can be better by increasing the Kd more. Now Kd is 1.3. Okay. We are going to increase the Kp from 0.11 to 0.13, and Kd will be 1.8. Yeah, it is much better, much stable. It sticks to the line. But increasing Kd a bit will be better for the performance. Let's change the Kd to 2.1. Now it's performing much better. I think I mistakenly decreased the speed. Let's make it to normal. The bot is performing much better, but I still feel if we increase the Kd from 2.2 to 2.4, the performance will increase. So I measure. If the robot is not following the line, then I increase the Kp. And if it is wobbling, then I increase the Kd. We'll start by increasing the Kp, and after that, when the robot is following the line but it's wobbling, then we increase the Kd. Yeah, I think that's it. Our robot is tuned perfectly. However, certain changes can be done to make it more smoother, but it was a PID tutorial. I hope it helped you, and I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.